Titan Growth Promotion Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get digital marketing agencies wrong. They assume results are immediate. The surprising truth about Titan Growth is that it combines SEO, paid media, and analytics for measurable growth, and you won't believe how structured their approach is to driving long-term ROI. Here's how it works. Titan Growth audits your website and marketing channels, creates tailored strategies, and continuously optimizes campaigns using data-driven insights. They focus on SEO, PPC, and conversion optimization to increase leads and revenue. For example, a small e-commerce store might see improved search rankings and a steady increase in qualified traffic over several months. Most people get this wrong. They assume hiring an agency automatically guarantees instant traffic, but Titan Growth emphasizes strategy, testing, and optimization for sustainable results. Additional features include competitive analysis, monthly reporting, and dedicated account management. Users praise professionalism, transparency, and measurable improvements in rankings and conversions. However, there are considerations. Costs can be high for smaller businesses, and results require time. Digital growth is a marathon, not a sprint. Most people assume all agencies deliver the same level of insight. Titan Growth stands out for its data-backed approach and customization. In conclusion, Titan Growth is ideal for businesses seeking structured, measurable, and sustainable digital marketing growth with a focus on ROI and analytics. Subscribe for more honest reviews of marketing and promotion services.